Oh yeah, we have them set up like that.
Does it like ruin like the inside of the tire?
Yeah, it wears them out a lot more than they should. A lot more than normal, yeah.
I've just never seen that before.
Yeah, we go through tires quite a bit.
They look good.
Thank you. Have a good one. I don't know if y'all can tell, but got me a new freaking camera, dude. First time using it. I'm just gonna freaking test it out today, see what we got going on. I don't know how this video looks. I'm gonna keep it a buck. I just picked this thing up, started recording, and don't feel it looks good. Got a little meet coming up though. BK2 Adam and I are literally outside. No way, no way, no way, no way. Bruh. Alright. For real. What the hell we got going on here?
I'll actually see where the shift is.
Dude, right-hand drive. What's a Toyota? I thought it was like a Subaru. Caldina? What does that even mean? Big tilt. Alright. Alright, that meet was beyond mid. Doesn't help we showed up an hour late, but I don't even know if I'm gonna make this into a video, but if it does, hey, what's going on? If not, then guess you guys will never know. Got a new freaking camera, peep game lock in. Hold on, can y'all see? Look at that. New cam goes crazy. This is probably a lot better than the GoPro, I'll tell you that much. I mean, I love my GoPro, but this is gonna be so much better to use for the type of content I wanna do. So, yeah. We got Chick-fil-A with it though. Literally outside with it. We'll try to get some cinematic shots, see if this camera's any good with it. I've never tried it. Oh! I guess we got, wait, scroll up. Check these dumbass cars out, no way. Dude, I think we're outside. Oh, fuck. I'm bored as hell. Didn't get any content tonight, but dude, I'm outside. Look at the lighting. Lighting goes crazy at the Casey's. This new camera's pretty good though. Hope you guys are enjoying the new camera. Let me know. This or GoPro? I mean, I think we all know the answer. Come on. I don't know how it's gonna look on my computer, but dude, just right here, it looks pretty, dude, that looks fire. I don't know if I'm probably just gonna upload this as a short little video, just because why not? Got some good clips in it, so might as well, but I'm gonna go crazy. I'm going to GAT. Don't know if my car's coming though. I'm really gonna try to get my car to go. If not, I'm still going regardless, but I'm gonna go crazy with the content in GAT, dude. I'm telling you right now, I gotta order some batteries, maybe another SD card or something. Bro, peep the lighting though, dude. Lighting goes stupid. Oh my God. How much are the subs up? I'm always curious what it sounds like with my subs from the outside. Dusty hot car, dog. I got some freaking, like a baby or like a monkey walking on my roof. Bro, that's a crispy shot. This camera goes crazy. Look at this camera. Oh my God. Bro, I love three-piece wheels. I love three-piece wheels. This John is cooked, it's leaking again. This is litty. Oh my, does your car go up? Does your wheels go in when it goes up? I was like, no, they stay like that. BK2 Adam and I, we're going to a freaking little car show here. It's not like a stance show. We have no stance cars here where I live. But yeah, we're gonna pop out, see what all the old people think. You know what I'm saying? Outside again, round two. Oops, about to get ran over. Look at the, we're in the NPC lot. Hold on. No way. Holy. Everybody's on reps though. Ew. Dude, I don't even got tucked like that. Holy sh. Dude, look at the interior. It's like blue. That's fire. He's got the clock on the passenger side. See if dude, this is what I would build if I got an old car. It's like super clean, just dump it on the floor. Dude, the Asantis go crazy. Oh my gosh, big ass center caps. What the hell, dude? The lean-in Jeep is crazy. That thing's leaning. Oh, he's on bags. Look at the freaking front. Yeah. Let me zoom in on the cam. No way. Drone on demand. What are you gonna use that for? Bruh, silly odd drone. I need this. That's a rig. Holy. Dude, is this thing fast or not? Oh my gosh. Paint too. Avant-gardes. To be honest, I'd probably gap. Look at the freaking wheels on that John. Bro, I wish I could zoom faster. What the hell?
Are they here too? Yeah, to your right.
Dude, check that out. Dude, the paint matched interior goes crazy. Dude, it's a GAT rig. 3 rows. Dude, oh my gosh. This is a rig. Dude, that's fire. All right, tell me why this thing is Isuzu 97X on beadlock welds. What's going on here? Beadlock welds.
Hey, look at this. The top goes down.
What the hell?
The top goes down.
C8R edition, dude. I think the top goes down. Next rig. Oh, dude, 300ZX over there. No way. This thing is dumped. Dude, his exhausts are literally in the grass.
Might have to.
Dude, that's just deep. Big Forgiatos. Can y'all see that? Matching steering wheel goes crazy. Dude, matching like Forgiato steering wheels just come with the wheels or what? I thought we were walking, it was gonna be a mods list. Yeah, I'll give him that though, I can't argue. Yes, dude, yes, yes. W-Spec. I like that, 396 horsepower it said. 396. This thing is clean. Is this a new daily? Mess with this heavy. Heavy. Bone stock S14 is crazy. Is it manual? Oh, it is.
Damn.
No way, how many miles is that? I'm gonna go on the other side, wait. Dude, this is what I like right here. I'm guessing under 100K. Or maybe like 150. Let's see. Oh, what is that? 165. Wait, can y'all see that? 165, no way. There's some drift guy waiting to just ruin this thing. All right, what we got going on here? This thing goes crazy. Boatmobile. John tucking half the wheel in the back. This thing is so hard. And then you got this next to it. Slow Cummins. Little Cummins. There. Alright. Silly odd kit car. It's not even, bro, what? It's not even bad. Interior's crazy. Heated manual. FD. No way. That does not sound like a rotary. All right, never mind. I don't want to see it. I don't want to look at it. I'm not going to look at it. Big tug. What the hell? Hold on. What the hell? What the? The red dog is a speaker. That was a speaker. Kia, LOL.
If it's Ethan, then it's
I don't get it. Dude. I'm not even gonna lie to you, this thing's kind of hard. It's kind of hard. What do we have going on here? Maybe it's okay.
Give me my phone back. I've been chillin', I'm a still killer. They don't know that. She acting like I'm innocent, but I be on that. Baby, keep on trying to throw that pussy at me.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, hope you all enjoyed today's video. Literally just a random off video, just me testing out my freaking camera. So I hope the quality was better. Hope I got all the stuff figured out on this thing. I really have no idea how this is gonna look. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this video. Appreciate y'all for watching the good old content, dude. Stay tuned. It is about Sunday, the 8th of September. We got GAT in less than a month. So stay tuned, subscribe to the channel for the GAT content. GAT content is gonna go crazy. I'm bringing this, my GoPro, I'm just gonna film. Last year I really wish I filmed, but I didn't. But this year I'm going to film. I got this freaking camera before GAT. I'm really hoping to bring my car. If not, I'm still gonna film, obviously, but this will be a lot better with my car there. But yeah, boys, subscribe to the channel if you are new. But yeah, boys, I'll see you guys in the next one.